Introduction to safe driving. Introduction. When you're behind the wheel of a car, whether alone or with passengers, driving safely should always be your top concern. This module introduces you to safe driving essentials. Topic to be covered. What is safety in driving? Why is safety in driving important? Significance of safe driving. Importance of a safe driving attitude. Safe driving attitude. Driving theory test. What is safety in driving? British motorists spend 9 hours a week behind the wheel. Safe driving means obeying the speed limit and traffic laws, not driving too closely to the car directly in front, driving slower during rain and inclement weather, and avoiding alcoholic beverages and certain medications before hitting the road. All of these safe practices can decrease your odds of being in an accident. Being a safe driver means being alert, always driving to the conditions of the road environment, and being ready to take action at any time. Safe driving can entail off-road precautionary measures such as making sure tires are properly inflated, testing windshield wipers, getting regular oil changes and tune-ups, and adjusting the mirrors. All of these actions can help prevent an accident. Why is safety in driving important? There are all types of drivers on the road, from teenagers to the elderly. Everyone on the street is supposed to be licensed. Unfortunately, a driver's license does not always ensure common sense and responsibility on the road. Safe driving is crucial because things can happen behind the wheel in a split second. It is essential to drive safely because it can save your life, help avoid hefty fines or imprisonment for traffic violations, and keep your insurance premiums lower. Significance of safe driving. When driving a motor vehicle, you are tasked with many responsibilities. You must be fully aware of your surroundings, focused on the road and nothing else, sober, fully alert, old enough to drive, responsible, and you are also tasked with many other responsibilities. Driving a motor vehicle is a privilege and can easily be taken away. Being a safe driver is very important and requires the individual to be smart, experienced, responsible, and alert. Laws dealing with speed limits, distracted driving, and driving under the influence are meant to help protect citizens and keep the roads as a safe place to be. A lot of accidents are avoidable as long as the drivers are aware of their surroundings and make smart decisions. Driving responsibly is a very important task for every individual. Motor vehicles are not toys, and using them as toys can flip your life and many other lives upside down. People are not invincible, no matter if they believe they are. Think about the lives that are in your hand the next time you turn that key and put the car in drive. The way you act behind the wheel is very important. While everybody is guilty of not driving safely at one point or another, we can change that right now and start making the roads a safe place for people to be. The importance of a safe driving attitude. One important aspect of driver training is the development of a safe driving attitude. The reason a safe driving attitude is so important is that you will make many choices as you drive, and your driving choices have consequences. There are many benefits to a safe driving attitude, including limiting stress while on the road, saving you money on tickets and increased insurance costs, helping you keep your driver license, reducing your chances of being in a crash. To have a safe driving attitude, you must have control of your emotions and behavior, practice defensive driving techniques, and accept responsibility for all of your driving decisions. Safe driving attitude. Emotion is a word used to identify feelings such as anger, fear, and joy. If you allow them to, emotions can change the way you assess risk and make driving decisions. When strong emotions such as anger affect you, your ability to make wise decisions may be reduced, increasing your chances of making a mistake. You may be so preoccupied with your anger that you misjudge the risks involved, or don't even notice important events in a particular driving situation. Always be aware of your state of mind. Look at yourself objectively and decide if you really have the focus and alertness you need to use a motor vehicle safely. If you have any doubt, wait. Give yourself time to calm down and concentrate on safe driving. You can expect some emotional stress in your everyday driving. Learning to manage it is important for your safety and the safety of others. If you are angry and excited, take a short walk, write your feelings down, or talk to a friend before you get behind the wheel. No matter what is going on in your life, when you get behind the wheel, make a decision that until you arrive safely at your destination, you will focus on driving. Always allow plenty of time to get to your destination, so you won't get impatient with red lights or heavy traffic. Realize that many aspects of driving, such as heavy traffic and the actions of other drivers, are beyond your control. Stay calm when faced with stressful road conditions. Driving Theory Test. The driving theory test was introduced on the 1st of July 1997 and is the first step in becoming a full UK driving licence holder. All learned drivers must pass the theory test to qualify for the practical driving test and obtain their full UK driving licence. The theory test is split into two parts. 1. Multiple choice questions. 2. Hazard perception. You must pass both parts of the theory test before you can book your practical driving test. The multiple choice section is different depending on your vehicle. Car and motorcycle learned drivers must answer 43 or more questions to pass. There are 100 questions for the LGV and PCV tests, pass mark 85. If you pass, you will get a pass certificate, valid for 2 years. If you fail, you will need to wait 3 working days before booking another one. Summary. In this module, you have learnt: safe driving can entail off-road precautionary measures such as making sure tires are properly inflated, testing windshield wipers, getting regular oils changes and tune-ups, and adjusting the mirrors. Being a safe driver is very important and requires the individual to be smart, experienced, responsible, and alert. One important aspect of driver training is the development of a safe driving attitude. Always be aware of your state of mind. Look at yourself objectively and decide if you really have the focus and alertness you need to use a motor vehicle safely. You must pass both parts of the theory test before you can book your practical driving test. The multiple choice section is different depending on your vehicle.